If you're seeing a Facebook query error when commenting, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a minute or two. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step method to troubleshoot the problem so you can get back to commenting normally. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. First, the simplest thing to try is refreshing the page. Press F5 on your keyboard or use the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. After refreshing, try posting your comment again and see if the issue is gone. If it still appears, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Facebook from sending your comment properly, which may trigger a query error. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working well, or switch to a stronger connection if needed. You can also test by opening another website to see if the internet is responding normally. If your connection seems fine and the problem continues, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause strange errors on websites like Facebook. Go into your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and remove cached files. You usually do not need to delete everything, just the cache can often be enough. Once that's done, close and reopen your browser. Then go back to Facebook and try commenting again. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem right away. Refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, and clearing the browser cache are the fastest ways to get rid of a Facebook query error when commenting. If the error still happens after that, you may want to try logging out and back in, or testing another browser. But for most people, the basic steps in this video are enough. So to recap, first refresh the page, then check your internet connection, and finally clear your browser cache if needed. These simple troubleshooting steps can save you a lot of frustration and get Facebook comments working again. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.